When a customer is shopping, they want to understand a product's features and see it in action before they buy. A shoppable video, also known as detail page video, helps them see how your product works, what it looks like, and even how it sounds. A video can also give customers a better idea of how big or small, or heavy or light your product is. It can provide the customer with information about a product that an image or description can't portray. For example, a toy with moving parts could be shown in a video so customers understand how it works. This could improve customers' likelihood to purchase your product, increasing your sales. It could also potentially help reduce customer returns. Good product videos anticipate what your customers may want to know about your product. They address customer questions and aim to increase customer trust. Videos can be instructional, informational, or related to product use. Your videos should be high-resolution, product-focused, concise, and authentic. You can upload an existing video from your library or create a new video. You can upload one or more videos to your product detail pages. If you choose to upload more than one, ensure that each video follows the community guidelines and serves a distinct purpose. Your video will be displayed along with your product images on the product detail page. It can also appear below the fold in search and throughout the Amazon shopping journey. For more information on adding videos to your detail page, go to Seller Central and type "Upload a video" in the search field at the top of the page.